What's up guys, for today's video I got a whole bunch more everyday carry gadgets. Let me know in comments below also if you still enjoying the split screen of gadgets here or here, so that way you can see how big they actually are. So I have a whole bunch of them. Let's see what we got. Let's start with these ones. This one is like a really miniature little flashlight. So let's open it up. That is so tiny, and again, this is what I mean. On this camera, it looks a lot bigger compared to this camera. It is super small. So it's probably smaller than I showed you guys before, but let's see how bright that is. Let's open it up. Oh, battery falling out. Usually these little flashlights have some kind of piece of paper holding it up, so that way the battery is being protected. Let's see if this is the case also. Yes, there is. Little purple, let's see, the purple plastic that holding it together. Okay, let's take this out. This is like a sticker almost, so sometimes it's a little harder to open it than other times. Ooh, what's wrong with this battery? Surprisingly, sometimes this happens. All these batteries kind of look burnt up a little bit. This is why they put up like a battery protector in there, so this does not happen. It's like all black in there. I don't know what happened. Okay, so all we have to do is twist to turn it on. You know what? Sometimes this happen when I purchase things like that on Amazon, and it's been Amazon returned, and they, without inspection, put it back into a circulation or something like that. Or maybe it's been sitting too much in the storage to where it doesn't work anymore. Well, it is what it is. In any case, I have another one. We'll have to put new batteries in. Those batteries does not look so good. This is Slug House. Don't know how to pronounce it. It looks like a little slug. Pretty cool. I don't know, like 45 cal maybe. Beautiful. Dropping stuff. Okay, the housing, the batteries, very easy to replace, and twist it up till it turns on. See how bright it is. Okay, this one turns on really bright. Wow, really nice spot. There it is. It's a daytime, but yeah, this is a really nice bright flashlight for such a small keychain light, and I love the size of it and name for it. Just twist and turn it on. Very cool. So very tiny little flashlight. I like it. Okay, let's see what else I found. This is a really unique lighter right here. There's a brand for it. Okay, and it's kind of cool. It has a double lighter right here in one. So I got right here lighter, propane, butane lighter fill. There you go. There's so many names for it, but I guess actual name is a butane fill. Okay, just hold it upside down, fill it up. Usually with most lighters, after fill, it has to it have to kind of like slow itself down, warm up a little bit. That's a big flame. So on one side it will be blowtorch, and on the other side regular lighter. Kind of have to push it slowly. There it is. And then regular lighter, blowtorch, regular lighter, blowtorch. Yeah, it just takes time for this lighter to kind of adjust itself after filling it up. Okay, let's see what else we have. Turn the light back on. Next, keychain pry bars are pretty amazing and very popular. This right here, the Pry Bar TM. Pretty awesome, also sharp enough to cut through the boxes and nice enough angle to pry something open this way or this way. Just what a good idea. Super small, very, very lightweight, just a perfect keychain. Okay, let's get to the next gadget. There's a Carabina. Let's see what this Carabina is all about. Ooh, this is a Carabina with a tiny pry bar. It's so small. I like that kind of stuff. I need to put one on my keychain. I have so many of them and I keep forgetting to put it onto my keychain. I think this is just kind of came with it. But let's see what it is. Oh, I could just simply connect it to a Carabina keychain, whatever. Pretty cool. But the point of this is so small. Nice bottle opener, and the keychain will be extension of this pry bar. It's also sharp enough to cut to tape super easily. I like that. That is cool. Very small. I like that a lot. Okay, I got a whole bunch of miniature pry bars on Amazon because I guess that's what they suggested to me. I like that one a lot because it's like anodized titanium blue and it's very lightweight. Well balanced too. That's cool. And there's ridges, sharp enough edges to cut to tape easily. Instead of using keys, use this pry bar to open boxes and so on. Just very comfortable. Again, pry something open. It is so easy because it is very skinny edge, but it is titanium, so it's doable. Okay, that is super cool. But let's see what's in this box. Ooh, this one is cool. This is a little like gravity knife on Amazon that I found. Kind of like a copycat of Rheatic saw, but I figured maybe not. Maybe just inspired. Ooh, there's a magnet. Rheatic saw does not have a magnet. Ooh, it's a lock too, to where it locks it in. I like that. Boom. So it is inspired of a Rheatic saw, but its knife as a knife is definitely upgraded. They're not saying it is a Rheatic saw or anything like that. I do like that feature to where it is kind of like easy to open, and it doesn't lock in whenever it's in unlock position, but right here when it's lock position it locks in there, and definitely has a wiggle. That's the nature of a knife. I like it. This is one of a kind knife for sure. Real quick, gravity, boom, lock. That's the size of it. A little bit better to see. Very cool. I like that. I mean, it is made out of like aluminum and probably like cheap steel, but pretty fidgety and fun one. That's it.